Hello, I'm going to give you a demo video for the introduction video assignment that is me answering the questions that I want you to answer so you can get a sense of what I'm looking for, but also so you can have this information if you missed day one of the semester. So in the introduction video assignment, I've given you 5 questions. The first one is, what do you want me to call you? So this is to help me with pronunciation for your name, especially um, important for me to be able to hear your first and your last name said out loud properly so I don't butcher it, and also to get your pronouns. So I'm Dr. Johnson, and I use she, her, hers pronouns. And I actually prefer to go by Dr. Johnson in class. So that is my answer for number one and why I'm asking for it for you for number one. Number two, I want to know what you hope to learn from this class and what you want to get out of it. And I'm going to do one demo for 2 classes. So I'll answer this a little bit generically for myself, but what I hope to learn from the class is what it's like to address these questions that are part of our lived experience and our fundamental beliefs and values, and see them from the perspective of scholarship and science. I'm really looking forward to hearing your contributions to what we are studying and seeing what you do with the information that you learn. So that's what I'm hoping to get from the class, both classes that I'm teaching. And what I want to get out of it is a sense of us all coming together to build knowledge. So not just a one-way street, but truly an interaction. Number 3, what concerns do you have about the course? I think that my answer to this question has been the same since the pandemic started, which is I'm concerned about if we have another major outbreak and we have to go online. I'm concerned if I get sick or if a lot of you get sick and it seems to be dangerous. So those are concerns that aren't going anywhere. But I'm also a little bit concerned about just our ability to be comfortable and functional in space together after we've gotten kind of used to being in our own individualized spaces where we haven't really had to think about the people around us. Sorry, I didn't turn my phone on silent. So thinking about it as a concern for the class, the semester, that's how I'm answering. But when you answer this question, you might have a question or a concern that's more specific to the topic of the course. Number 4, what is important for me to know about you? This is the kind of question that I'm asking to get information about your well-being and learning in class. So if it's important for me to know that you are anxious or shy, or that you are struggling with something, and my knowing can help you be better equipped to succeed, then that's why I want to know. I'm not just prying into your private business, but thinking in terms of what you might tell me that will help me help you succeed. That's what I'm going for with number 4. So if I were to answer this question, I think that what is important for you to know about me, if I turn it around, is it's important for you to know that there's a reason for all of the things that we're doing in class. I am motivated to have you learn and really benefit from the knowledge that you are gaining in the course instead of just wanting you to jump through hoops or do busy work. So it's important for you to know that I have thoughtfully designed the things that we're doing to maximize your learning, and that's why. And I'll usually explain, specifically why, but I want you to be able to rest assured that that is what is happening. And number 5, something interesting about you. I really want to hear your answers to this question. This is the kind of question that really tells me who you are as an individual instead of just a name on a roster. So if you tell me something, it will help me separate you into a unique person. I told you today that I have pet rats and I am trying to learn how to rollerblade again after 20 plus years of not doing it. So those are interesting facts about me. And if you have more than one class with me this semester, answer this question differently in both video assignments. There's definitely more than one interesting thing about you, and I love to hear it. Okay, that's my sample, and I will post this now for you to be able to see it as you are preparing to complete this assignment for yourself. Okay.